Achieving touchable, smooth skin has never been so easy as with Dimples Hair Removal Spray Foam. Always read the instructions and warnings carefully before use. When using the product for the first time, it is strongly advised to carry out a patch test on a small area of the skin 24 hours before use, taking care to avoid moles, spotty, broken or irritated skin. Ensure to always use the product in well-ventilated areas, shaking the can well before holding 10 to 15 centimeters from the area to be treated, and pressing firmly on the spray valve to apply a thin layer of foam. Allow the foam to remain on the area for 6 to 12 minutes, then rinse well with a sponge or wet towel. Make sure to remove the foam residue from the spray valve after each treatment. To find out more, head to the Dimples website.